Alright, when I turn this valve of the tool, that should shut. I don't have these cranked down all the way, so I'm leaking air out of here. And what's really irritating the hell out of me is I epoxy glued these in to place, but this MPT connector leaks. It really irritates me that it leaks too. Because it should hold, it's holding pressure and it's working the way it's supposed to. When I put air, if I put air from the compressor into just this one side, everything works fine. Otherwise it doesn't. I'm also working with a very small tank here. So when I turn this, it should shut. And now, if a robot sends a 12-volt signal to this, holding 150 pounds.